So we can see clearly there, if you look to the bottom of the center of the screen, the push rod is in the push rod locator, and the push rod must have been knocked. Look at that, at the 12 o'clock position now. The push rod is clearly not seated. So let me show you what I can see without using this oscilloscope. But I mean, essentially I could see the rocker not moving and the push rod not engaged in the thing, but this has absolutely confirmed it. So I'll use fine nose pliers to locate the push rod within the camshaft locating aperture you can see there. But look, this is what I'm using. It's an absolute game changer for me. You can see there, look, the camera going down into the push rod aperture on the rocker box cover, and here you can see this £21 Amazon umbilical camera. Prior to this, I've always used the umbilical USB type leads that fit to my iPhone, and I've always been concerned that in a workshop environment my very expensive iPhone isn't quite appropriate, and I've always been scared and nervous that I would knock the USB lead. But clearly we can see there that that push rod needs relocating within the receiver. Anyway, let's crack on and do that. I'll use fine nose pliers to lift and position the push rod tube that you can see there on the left. So what we can see there, after a very fiddly job, is both push rods are located into the, I guess, forgive my terminology, the top of the locating of the cam followers.